They're not ready for this.
To install, simply nestle it into the wireless charging slot of the Model 3Y.
1, 2, 1, 2. Dark child. Right now, you about to witness instrumentals like you never heard before.
You can pick different colors.
Versatility. Dark chisel, my nizzle.
It supports multiple lighting mode selection. For example, for the lighting effects, you can choose from options breathe, voice, roll, or light. For the rest screen, you can choose from options on or off. You can even set your favorite color.
On the floor. My millennium, baby.
You can adjust the brightness of the lights until you find a comfortable level.
Get on the floor.